there's good news about the refreshed 2018 model, it's even better at doing all of those things. The 2018 Mustang has even more performance, thanks to an updated 5.0-liter V8 that is even more powerful. On the other, it's even more civilized, with options like an exhaust that can stay quiet when you start it early in the morning, and magnetorheological suspension that can be remarkably supple. Changes aside, this convertible still offers a powerfully soft top that lowers easily, seating, in a pinch, for 4, and instantly recognizable pony car styling. Because this Mustang is loaded up with every possible option, we've been able to play with all the features that are new for this year.